Hey everyone, CrazyToys here. My name is Gunnar and today we have 3 super cool surprise eggs. Yeah, we have 2 Kinder surprise eggs and 1 Peppa Pig surprise egg. So as always we are not alone. Today we have a little bit help from Peppa Pig. And I think we should open the first surprise egg now. Here we have our first Kinder surprise egg and I really wonder what's inside. So let's shake it a little bit and find out what's inside. Here we have our yummy chocolate. I think I will eat it later and maybe I split it with Peppa Pig. Or maybe with Zoe Zebra or Danny Dog, I don't know. But at first I want to know what kind of toy we have. I can't wait to open it and... oh look! Yeah, this is so cute. I think we got 2 little monkeys. So let's have a look into the tiny flyer. And yeah, looks like monkeys. So cute. I think it's a monkey mom with her child. Yeah, mommy and kids, this is so awesome. And they are scratching their heads. Okay, that's super duper cool. However, we have 2 more surprise eggs to go. So Peppa Pig, what do you think? Shall we open another Kinder surprise egg? Okay, let's open it. I'm super excited. Maybe we get more monkeys or maybe something else. So wish me luck that we get a super awesome toy in this super cool surprise egg. Yeah. More chocolate. I love this chocolate. It's so sweet. Hey, what's this? I think we got a little green robot. Yes. This is a green robot. Let's put it together. As always, our little flyer. Okay. This is what the robot looks like. After putting it together, and there are different robots you can find in these surprise eggs. In total there are 4 different robots. Okay, here we have little stickers and I think those are the faces, and I think I will take the orange one. Yeah, the orange face is awesome. Let's put it on. And here we have our little robot buddy. Okay, let's put on the head. Well, it doesn't fit. Okay, look how awesome this is. Well, let's go on to the next surprise egg. Yeah, the Peppa Pig surprise egg. And Peppa Pig and I are already so excited. Let's hope that we get a super duper awesome Peppa Pig toy. Smells good. So Peppa Pig, let's open it and find out what's inside. So let's have a look and wow, we got some candy of course. Yeah, here we have some Peppa Pig candy. This is really yummy. And of course stickers. Yeah, here we have some George Pig and Peppa Pig stickers. This is super cool. And we have a little hanger, yeah, a keychain. You can attach it to your keys or maybe to your backpack. I really like this one. Look, it's Peppa Pig on it. Yay! And here we have the little collector's guide. What a surprise! So, what was your favorite surprise egg today? Let me know in the comments. And also let me know what you think about the video. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to CrazyToys so we can meet again and unbox even more surprise eggs. So see you next time. Bye bye!